Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Sureflap Microchip cat flap. Firstly, remove the battery cover from the inside of the unit and install a 4AA alkaline batteries. The LED light on the front will flash. This means it's ready to learn a microchip. Press the memory button inside the flap once. The indicator light will blank slowly. Have your cat walk through the flap from outside to inside, and the flap will detect the microchip and beep once to confirm registration. You can register up to 32 cats. If your cat isn't microchipped, use the RFID color tag included and use the cutting template included in the box to mark the hole. Cut the hole using a jigsaw or get a professional for glass installation. Insert the cat flap and secure it with screws from both sides. Now have your cat approach from the outside. The lock will click open if the chip is recognized. The flap remains locked for unknown animals. Use the switch inside to select a mode like unlocked, in only, out only, or locked both ways. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.